Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Charge the bullets to at least 50% and charge the Nord above 20%. Update Oxygen OS to the latest version available before starting the pairing process. Open Settings and confirm Bluetooth is enabled on the Nord with visibility turned on. Remove or forget previous Bullet's wireless Z2 entries from the Nord to avoid conflicts. Keep the phone and earbuds within 5 feet of each other during every step of the connection process. Disable other active Bluetooth accessories nearby to prevent automatic interference during pairing. Open the Bullet's wireless Z2 case or power on the earbuds if they are separate. Press and hold the multifunction button on the earbud assembly for 3 seconds until the LED flashes white and enters pairing mode. On the Nord, open Settings, then Bluetooth, and wait for the device list to populate with nearby accessories. Tap Bullet's wireless Z2 when it appears in the list to initiate pairing. Accept any pairing confirmation prompts and grant media, and call permissions so audio and microphone work correctly after. If pairing fails, reset the Bullets by pressing and holding the multifunction button for 10 seconds to clear stored pairings. Restart the Nord and power cycle Bluetooth in settings to refresh the device list. If detection still fails, clear the Bluetooth cache in settings by opening apps, showing System Apps, selecting Bluetooth, and clearing cache storage. Move both devices within 5 feet and ensure no other Bluetooth accessories are active. Retry pairing from the beginning after these steps to complete a reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.